Hey y'all, I'm Alec with Sharing the Journey. If you've been watching our channel for a while, you know my wife and I travel the country, work camping one state at a time, and we've been living in our 2019 Tiffin Open Road for the last 5.5 years. We are currently on an adventure that is taking us from Montana to South Carolina, one work camping job to another, and we decided to stop at Fort Smith, Arkansas at a wonderful resort. We don't stay at resorts very often, but we are at Riverfront RV Resort, and it's amazing. I will say this, that we have never stayed at a resort that is as affordable as this one is. Riverfront RV Resort has been open for less than a year. They're located on the Arkansas River here in Fort Smith, Arkansas. Tons of features. Let me take you around and show you what there is to see. One of the important things at any campground is a well-stocked store, and you'll find a well-stocked store here. And it looks like they've got a leave one, take one library, wood, my favorite part, ice cream, and sodas. Let's go check out the rest of the campground. Right across from the office slash store is a swimming pool. I'm not going to open the gates, but let's take a look real quick. So at the pool you have a shaded pavilion with a sofa, a couple of chairs, and lots of shade. Then you've got a very clean modern swimming pool. It's more of a wading pool. It's 3 feet and a third, not 3.5. I don't want you to be scared. It's just 3 1/3 feet. Just beyond the pool is a pickleball court. Now, Cindy and I have never played pickleball before. I hear it's a lot of fun, but this is a brand new court that needs you to come and play on it. On the back side of the pool cabana or shaded area is the restrooms. Now, we're not going to go in them. I understand they've got showers, sinks, and whatnot. I don't like going in the restrooms and showing. You never know who's going to be in there. But they've got a men's and a woman's. Across from the restrooms, over here is a dog park. Let's go check it out. Dog park has lots of grass. It's well maintained. I took Chance in here earlier, and they do a great job of keeping the dog poop cleaned up. They've got a great place to sit. They've got a small agility course for the dogs and a poop station. There's enough room in there for Chance to get the exercise that he desires. Just beyond the dog park is the trash. If you miss the morning trash run where they pick your trash up at your site around 10 o'clock in the morning, then you can bring your trash up to the station. And then right next to that is a workout area to keep you in shape. I've never seen anything like this at a park. They've got sit-ups, pull-ups, balance beam, high step. It just goes on and on. They've pretty much thought of everything at this park. Now, this park has 110 sites. They've got pull-through sites like this site right here with 50, 30, 20 amp water and sewer, and they are 70 feet long. And you've got back-end sites, both paved and gravel, depending on what you want. And the paved sites are 50 feet long, also 50, 30, 20 water and sewer. And then I'll show you the gravel ones, which are 40 feet. Of the 110 sites, 100 of them are RVs and 10 of them are deluxe tent sites. Now, on our way down to the river, oh, did I mention that the park is located on the Arkansas River? On the way to the river, I'm gonna show you some other amenities and the tent sites. On the way to the tent sites, we pass the laundry room, which is located on the back side of the store. There's also another restroom facility at this location. Now, I used the laundry room earlier today. The machines are new and clean. There's the restroom. And here's the laundry facility. In the laundry facility, they have a table for folding. They have large capacity and regular washer and dryers. $3 to wash, $3 to dry. Right across from the laundry facility is the deluxe tent sites. Now, this is the only location in the park that you are allowed to tent camp. Each site has a parking pad. It has a tent pad, picnic table, fire pit, and a 110 electrical outlet so that you can run your small fan, you can charge your phones or whatever's needed. And they also have a pole to hang a lantern or a light that comes in very handy. Just beyond the tent area is a swinging fire pit area. That's not a technical name, but they have 5 hanging porch swings like your grandmama used to have on her front porch, surrounded by a fire pit, so that you are able to enjoy a nice evening with family and friends and enjoy a fire. Now, just beyond the fire pit is a boat landing. Let's go take a look. At the boat landing, they have an area for you to park your trailer and your truck. They have a boat ramp that goes into a private canal, so you can launch your boat while you're staying onto the Arkansas River. And if that wasn't enough, they have a private dock with a fish cleaning station. You can tie your boats up to the dock. You can come out here and fish. There was somebody out here fishing last night. They've got a hose to clean the fish station and access to the river. That's not all, there's more. Next, we're gonna go from the boat area up to this outdoor pavilion and playground. You're not gonna believe this. So there's your dock, your boat ramp, your boat parking, and then right here, your kids have a boat, a playground boat. It's got a plank, it's got 2 slides, jungle gym, climbing wall, a fort, swings, and a ladder. And while your kids are enjoying their time on the playground, here's the adult pavilion. It's got 4 of these plastic coated picnic tables. Sofa, 2 chairs, end table. It's got 2 gas grills, a fireplace. Looks like they may be adding a TV later, but that's nicer than any gas grill I ever owned. And they have a timer so you can't accidentally leave them on. And it has parking. So we're gonna cut across these pull-through sites, which like I said are 70 feet long, over to where my camper's parked, over there by those trees. And that is the deluxe patio sites with a river view. I'll tell you more about that when we get over there. So on these deluxe patio RV sites that are 70 feet long, you have options. If you have a motorhome like Cindy and I, you can pull straight in and have your glass facing the river view. If you have a travel trailer or a fifth wheel with rear living and the big window in the back, you can back right into the site and have your window overlooking the river. You say, how can you do that? Well, because on this side, if you pull straight in, you've got water, electric, sewer, and a patio. But if you back in, on this side, you have a patio, water, electric, sewer, with a fire pit. But you have options, and then you can be sitting in your camper, either rear living or front window like me, and have this beautiful view of the Arkansas River. Now, see this trail down here? We're about to go down there in a minute after I show you the rest of the park. That is a city walkway that goes the riverfront. It's absolutely beautiful. You have full access to that with your own private walkway down to it that even opens more amenities up to you. But first of all, let's go take a look at the rest of the park. We'll go look at the gravel back-end sites, and there's another pavilion in the middle of the park. Here's my site. So on the 40-foot back-end sites, they're gravel. They do have a concrete patio with a picnic table, a fire pit, water, electric, and sewer. So they have all the same amenities that the paved sites have, just not at the premium price. Throughout the park, they have these dog stations for your waste removal. Whenever your dog does its business and you pick it up, there's a convenient place for you to put it. And then here is the other pavilion I told you that was located in the center of the park. It has picnic tables and provides plenty of shade. Now let's walk over and take a look at the riverfront. All right, we're gonna finish walking down to the river. They have a nice paved path. Here's another one of those premium sites. They chose to do like we did and pull straight in for a good river view. So this is where the city Riverwalk starts. Right over there, they've got a nice pavilion for sitting. Little statue of a bird there. And as you can see, this is how you could get down to where your boat's parked. It's a bridge that walks over the canal. Down that way is your boat dock, your boat landing. Over here is the entrance to the river. Now, I don't know how many miles long this is, but I know that we've driven by about 1.5 miles, 2 miles, and it's still going. Right here, stairs that go down to the river. We've seen lots of fish jumping here. Again, here's the campground. There's your walkway, private walkway that goes up to the campground. As you can see, here's the entrance. And then I don't know how far the trail goes, but it circles all the way down around the side of the campground. There's our camper right up there. The views are beautiful. The park is brand new. Everything is clean. Everything works. We're here for 3 days and we have absolutely enjoyed it. And the town of Fort Smith is awesome. We've had a lot of fun since we've been here. We hate to leave to get back on the road. I'll leave a link to the website in the description if you want more information about this park. I don't put pricing normally in my campground tour review videos because hopefully this video is going to be getting views for years to come and the pricing wouldn't be current. So check the description below for the website link and you can get current pricing and information about this beautiful resort in Fort Smith, Arkansas. Until next time, we wish you happy camping.